temptation. Why don't you come my way? All the girls trying to get your attention. Don't even look their way, cause I'd hate to see you go before I try to make you stay. Don't escape the matter. Come step into the water. Baby, don't lose sight of me. Come and follow my lead. I know you want me to be in your fantasy. Oh boy, it'd be such a shame to leave a girl like me waiting. Oh, don't escape the matter. Come step into the water, baby. Oh, boy, I know I make you lose control. So you wanna see my body moving slow. You feel it in your tippy toes when I wind it and I break it down low. Cause I know you go there try if I say try me. You go there buy if I say buy me. I'm gonna tell you they right, you go give me the key. I go there make you give me everything. Baby, baby, don't lose sight of me. Come and follow my lead. Oh, I know you want me to be in your fantasy. Oh, it'd be such a shame to leave a girl like me waiting. Oh, don't escape the matter. Come step into the water. Baby, don't lose sight of me. Come and follow my lead. Oh, I wanna be in your fantasy. Oh, it'd be such a shame to leave a girl like me waiting. Oh, don't escape the matter. Come step into the water, baby. Oh boy, yeah. Oh boy, yeah. Whoa, oh boy, yeah. Oh boy. Hey. Listen, they ain't never had a pretty girl from Lagos see me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheels cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Yes, they in that drama. I let you come in with the commas. Oh, DJ, turn the sound up, cause we're about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, say it doesn't get sweeter. Feel my body banging like speakers. Ooh, sweating on my concealer. Skin tight, no millimeter. And my face curl make 'em feel weaker. Cause you know that your body is a healer. Ooh, I like to make it. Ooh, you know I like to make it jump, jump, jump. Bum, 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 make it tough, tough. You know I like to make it. Oh, you know I like to make it jump, jump, jump. Bum, 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 make it tough, tough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Don't lose sight of me. Come and follow my lead. I know you want me to be in your fantasy. Oh boy, it'd be such a shame to leave a girl like me waiting. Oh, don't escape the matter.
Our band is called Sade's Collective. I go by Baba. I play the guitar, and we had Simi Liadi singing vocals for us this event.
My name is Simi Liadi. My style influence comes from R&B and Afrobeats / Alte.
We have Imran on the bass guitar, We have Addy on the drums, we have Kofi on the aux keys, and we have Lucas on the keys. Overall, we all just love music. We all experience music in our own different ways, interpret it differently.